Hello everyone, welcome to another video here on the Marvelous Mat. And on this video we are going to talk about string and how to use strings on R. So to create a variable of type string, you just create the variable, initialize the variable with a string, and then it will be of type string. As I said in another video, R is very flexible with the data type of the variable, so you can change it easily, as we will see again. So my first string, and then we print my string. We run this. Okay, I wrote it wrong. I do that all the time. So my first string. You may want to add something to a string that you already have, and for that you have a function called paste. So let's say I want to use the same variable, my string, and then I want to add something, so paste. I want to keep what I already have, so my string, and then I put here what I want to add. So let's say making my string longer, and then I also have to define what I want to separate the two strings, because this is a string and I am adding another one, so what I want between them. Now let's put a dot and a space, and we print my string again. Okay, here I paste the function, with an E in the end. So my first string making my string longer. That's it. That's what we wanted. So you may want to test if your variable contains a string, and then in this case there is a test. There's a function that does that for you, is character. So I use the primitive data type, so character, and then I put here my string, and it will tell me if it is a string, it will return true. So let's just try is double and use my string, and then we run, it should return false. So now let's do a test. If is character my string, then we say we print this is a string, else if is double, and then my string, print this is a real number. So we have my string. Let's see what we have there. Okay, so let's run this. So this is a string. Now let's say before my string, I change the value of my string to 10. So what will happen? So you see we printed it here, and then we changed the value we set my string to 10, and then now the test here returned false, and here it returned true. But now let's cast. So casting is when you make one data type become another data type. So my string is equal as.character my string. Let's do it under here, and then we just copy and paste, so we see that it's really changing. So let's run it again. So we set the value to 10 and then test, and then change it to back to string and then test again. So first it set it to as a number, then we made it as character, and then it became a string. Well, when you are changing the data type, you would want to be careful if you have a list of numbers, a matrix, or something like that. So let's say, for example, I have my list of numbers equal C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. And then we go over this list of numbers. So for E in 1 to 10, we put here, and then instead of my string here, we put my list of numbers and an index I, and we copy and paste the same thing here. So this is a real number for all of them. And now let's say we want to change just one of the numbers, one of the components of the list to a string. So my list of numbers index 9 will be equal 9. We will write the number, and then we run this again and see what happened. So we are changing just one of the components of our list. Let's do it, and then let's print our list first. My list of numbers, we print, you see we changed the 9 here, and then now we run, and then now all of them are strings. And the reason for that is that when you have a list or a matrix or something, and you change the data type of one of the components, it will change the data type of the entire data structure, or depending on if you have a data frame, it will change just the data type of the entire column. So you need to be aware of that and be careful, because you can start getting errors, or your tests may not work if you are not careful. So I want to give you a challenge to practice what we have been learning. So create a matrix with the 36 days of the year in the format month, day. So, for example, January 3rd will be Jan 3. So you need to have the 0 here before the 3, and then the hints for this are use for I in 1 to 365, and the second hint is use paste. So you try that, and on the next video I will show the solution. So I hope you can work that out, and if you find it difficult, you can check the video again and see how we use paste, and you can check the previous videos and see how we use for. So I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, give your like and subscribe to our channel. So I see you in next video with our solution to this challenge. I see you later. Bye.